Good evening, this is Rizwan, and you are watching our news segment, the Indian Weekended Headlines. A man has died from COVID 19 in Waikato Hospital, and there is one new case in managed isolation facility. Director General of Health Dr. Ashley Bloomfield says the man was in his 50s and passed away yesterday afternoon.
Today, regrettably, we are also reporting the death of a man who had COVID 19. He was admitted there on August 19 and sadly passed away yesterday afternoon. The man's whānau has asked us to tell the country that coronavirus is so real and to be vigilant and cautious. They have issued a plea to all New Zealanders: if you are sick and have symptoms, stay home and seek advice about getting a test.
The new COVID 19 case in managed isolation is a woman who arrived from Dubai. There are no new community cases. Dr. Ashley Bloomfield says 3 people are in hospital and 2 in intensive care. There are 57 people linked to the Auckland community cluster who remain in an Auckland quarantine facility, and that includes 27 people who have tested positive as well as household contacts. The total number of active cases is 79, 27 of those are imported. The total number of confirmed cases is 1,451. The Auckland healthcare worker at a quarantine facility who tested positive has been linked to one of the community cases who was being cared for in the quarantine facility. The healthcare worker provided care to the person ahead of the hospitalization. Close contacts of the worker, 85 of them have been identified from the gym sessions at Les Mills, Takapuna. All have been contacted and are self-isolating. 80 of them have returned a negative test. A school bus carrying 40 high school students collided with a train this morning near Palmerston North. The driver of the bus has died as a result. Emergency services were alerted to the serious crash just after 8 a.m. at the intersection of Railway Road and Cleveley Line in Bunnythorpe. St. John has said it assessed 40 patients at the scene, including fielding high school students, whose conditions varied from moderate to minor. 7 people were brought to Palmerston North Hospital's emergency department, all in a stable condition, with 2 being admitted to the ward for observation and the rest discharged. Following the collision, staff from the Fielding High School came down to provide support to the children. 4 ambulances and a rapid response team were sent to the scene. 3 investigations have now been set up, and Police Senior Sergeant Phil Ward said a number of different agencies were now following up. So these were the top news and headlines for today. For more updates, visit our website iwk.co.nz. Follow us on Facebook, Twitter, Instagram and YouTube. Thank you for watching, and I'll be back tomorrow on Indian Weekended Headlines.